So we just completed almost 10 hours of 3-day coaches boot camp, and the kind of AI is moving fast in this world right now, specifically into the AI world. And we have introduced something called AI coach assistant. Okay, and hers
Exactly.
is someone how is someone who is building it.
Mm. We demonstrated that in the webinar, in the boot camp, and like people were shocked. Like it was a room of almost 100 people, and
Mm,
everyone like just wanted that AI assistant. Like, how can I get that? Like, it can complete automate your coaching business, probably like 60 to 70% of your entire marketing job, whatever you do. And we have demonstrated it. We have like added a clip after this intro, so you can just watch it.
And what we have done is we have added a form. Once you watch it, we have added a form. If you wanted to work with us, and just go and check it out, the form, and apply, so that you can also build that same system for your business. So remember, if you're really serious about AI and you know how fast it's going, then this is the time to adapt as fast as soon as possible. That you will not left behind.
Now you can watch the entire video to see the possibilities what AI can do for your business, and we will see you at the end of the video.
But right now, we wanted to showcase what is something that we are creating. How many of you wanted to see that what is the possibilities of AI that can help you in your business? Right now, many of you still in the version of doing chat GPT. Now, I last month I talked about Claude, so you started exploring about Claude. You gone little depth about the projects. Okay, how to use projects, but there is a more deeper insight into it. Okay, maybe there is something that you never imagined that this is happening in the AI world. And before anyone adapt in the market, become a normal, I want TBM member to experience this first. Okay, TBM member to master this first. Okay, and definitely we will give you this system into few selected people. But right now, we have not built it fully. In 7 days, we are teaching people, the people who are coming to SGR. But once we build it, they will build it live. Okay, we are in the process of making it. Now, how many of you wanted to know what we are building it? What is coming? Yeah, type what in the chat box. Yes. So, Horse, you can maybe go and just share what building.
Thank you, first of all, for having me, and thank you everyone for welcoming me. It's a pleasure to serve TBM community every single time. So I am here and I am going to give you the vision, like where AI is going and how it is actually fitting into the Coach OS system. So you guys are like learning how Coach operating system is going to work. And AI in 2026 and beyond is going to be an integral part of entire system, entire Coach operating system. So I'll be first of all giving you the ideas like what are the things which are actually possible with AI in general. And you guys are already using AI in some or the other form. You guys are using Perplexity, you guys are using ChatGPT or Claude or some other tools for different things, for probably writing your Instagram captions, for generating image ideas, for generating carousel ideas, for maybe creating carousels and a lot of different things. So for now, as a coach, I would like to understand from you what are the things you have to do, not just as a coach, but as a coaching business owner. You guys are also entrepreneurs. You guys are also running a businesses which happen to be into coaching space. So what you have to do, first of all, like tell me that in the comment section, and I'm reading that. Anything and everything from like probably creating content and probably like like nuances of creating content to maybe anything that comes up in your mind. Anything. As an entrepreneur, as a coach, what you need to do. Come on, anyone in the chat? Automations, right? Automations, course creation, content that connects, of course, content, images, ideas, concepts, content creation, right? Ideas, content research, lead generation, posters, creating posters, arranging data, commenting, content to leads, like probably transitioning from content to leads, building land pages, that is important, sending up reminders. I didn't understand about the con part. Creating images, messages for nurturing. Again, conversion, lead generation, follow-up calls, a lot of things. Basically, now you understand there are a lot of things. In general, we break down coaching into four different parts. Number one, you have to do something to be visible in the industry. People have to first understand that or know that you exist. If you guys don't know that Harsh exists, you won't ever think of paying me or coming to my coaching or doing or taking anything from me because you don't know I exist. That's point number one. You need to do something to market yourself. Inside that, there are a lot of things, probably creating content, running ads, doing all sorts of marketing activities, going to another event, taking sessions inside communities, a lot of things. Second, you have lead generation part. So like you have to do certain things. So basically you can transcend or transform your just visibility to generating leads. So people can walk up to you and say that, hey, I see you that you are doing XYZ thing and I need your help. That's leads for us. After that comes the conversion part where we need to convert them as our paid members. It could be for your silver members, it could be for your gold, it could be for your diamond, it could be for anything, whatever you are selling right now. And after that comes the delivery part. So we have four pillars of running any coaching business. And after that, the loop repeats itself. So we just keep on going in loops and loops and loops. Okay. So that's the fourth thing that we need to do. Now, if you have the right system, the right coach operating system, then you can systemize all the things. You just know that, okay, I am waking up today and I need to do these things today. Probably I have an entire week. Monday and Tuesday is for only content creation. Thursday and Wednesday is only I will take coaching calls. And you have an entire system in place so you can stick with it and you can be the most effective player of your team. That's point number one. But if you have the right AI systems, you can amplify it. You can get 5 to 10x more productive from the same time. You will have 1 week, but you can transform that 1 week of work, whatever work you can get, you can squeeze in 1 week. You can actually squeeze in the work of, let's say, 1 month or 2 months, depending on what kind of AI systems you have and how you are actually using it. And that's why I say AI will be an integral part of any operating system you will get, learn, or install. Now, here, who all knows Alex Hormozy in general? Alex Hormozy, even if you have consumed his content or not, or got his books or not, or are learning from him or not. Yeah, yes, yes, two people, only two. Come on. 2 hours, 3 out of 67. Come on. A lot of people knows Alex Hormozy. He is the pioneer in the business world in general. Again, it's not about just he's not just talks about the coaching business, but in business how to scale a business in general. His CEO, who is Sharan Srinivas. So recently he wrote an email, and I'm on his email list. So he wrote an email that everyone in 2026 needs to have an executive assistant for yourself, irrespective of whatever level you are at. Even if you are starting a business right now, or you are like at probably like making 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs every single month, you need to have an executive assistant so you can delegate your work. If you are not delegating your work, you are limited by hours itself. You only have 24 hours. You can only put in certain amount of work and get certain amount of output. And there are work that you can delegate to someone else so you can focus on the meaningful activities which can actually move your business. But here, if I ask you, who all are okay to pay an executive assistant, to have an executive assistant who knows everything about your business, do all the activities in your business, from probably like creating content to creating landing pages to creating automations to talking with their customers to creating reports to analyzing data to keeping track of all the team members. If you have multiple teams, how many of you are okay to pay an executive assistant? And okay, I just tell you, executive assistant cost and like starts at 50,000 rupees per month. Okay, so based on that, currently, come on, there are a lot of people. Me. Okay, I haven't just starting. Nice, not possible at this point in time. Okay, come on, guys, you have to be what say engaging in the chat. Not now. Okay, perfect. Not possible for me right now. Perfect. Not yet, of course. But what if you can use AI to build an executive assistant for yourself? How crazy it would be. You can just say it that, hey, can you please create a landing page for me? And it goes out and creates a landing page for you. You just explain that, hey, I'm coming up with a boot camp for 3 days, like it will be on 15, 16, and 17, and please create an email sequence for me. And it just asks you a few questions that, let's say, hey, hey, I mean, what's the boot camp is for? And you say that it is for XYZ things. Who is it for? It is for my silver members. And what are the things you are going to teach there? And you say, I am going to teach X, Y, and Z. Okay, perfect. And then it creates the entire email, promotional email sequence for you without your involvement. How crazy it would be. You are not talking to chat gpt, you are not talking to, like the AI are not tools now, are not softwares now. It is your employee, it is your executive assistant. It knows everything about your business, who all are your diamond members, who all are your silver members, what's the, like engagement percent inside your inside your community, when is the last email that you actually sent to your email list, or what is the email activity going, or what's the ad you are running right now, and it analyzes complete thing, like the super employee in your business, right? I'll show you, first of all, like what it has done to our businesses. Okay, just a minute. I'll share my screen and show you. Okay, so first of all, nobody mentioned this. Every coach has to have a website, first of all. And a lot of coaches don't have a website. Why? Again, you can share in the chat if you have a website or not, number one, and if you have one, and an active one, not a like one that you have created in 2020, 2021, and you are not like going on there. An active one, which is which keeps getting updated every single month, kind of that. What do you have that website or not? And yeah, nice. Sarabani have it. Okay, nice. And who don't have, just tell me why you don't have it. And if you have and it is not active, then please share why you don't have it, or don't like it is not active. Not a landing page, just a website. Landing page is a different thing. A website, a fully working website. It is very time consuming, right? Nice, come on, guys. Not yet, only domain but not active. Why? I don't have one because it's in process of building. It is taking a lot of time. You need a developer to build a website. Nice. It's halfway. It's a lot of technical knowledge. Not having costly to build a website, of course. You having a landing page which is not active right now. Do you have a website? Because it took a lot of time again, and you built it is very early. You have it, but it's not optimized. Nice. How will you rate this particular page which is in front of you? This is an entire working website with all of the results, testimonials, and everything. With all of the YouTube videos, YouTube case studies as well, with all the testimonials of the results that we got for the clients, everything, and then also a call booking calendar here, where it is here. So we have integrated our a Calendly as well, so you can go, you can go here and book the call. So how much will you rate on a scale of 10? You can see the entire website. I'm seeing in the chat. Come on. 10 on 10, 10 on 10, 10 on 10. Nice. Is this similar to a landing page? It is basically, it's just it is a cluster of pages. So you have services page, you have about us page, you have contact us page, and everyone is working. So it is a basically cluster of landing pages. Simple as that. It is 8 on 10, high on 10. Nice. Now, what do you think? How much money and how much time it might have costed me to build this entire website? Time and money. You can write in one chat, one text only. Time and money. 25K, 3 days. Nice. 1 day, 10 to 15K. Nice. 30 minutes for free. Sulbha is like getting crazy with AI, I guess. You don't know, 2 to 3 days, free 5 minutes. Uh, Priyadarshini, another AI nerd, I guess. 30 minutes for free. Nice. So for me personally, it only took 5 minutes, and it's not free, of course, because there are AI tools which cost in the backend. But again, for you, it's free because you are already paying for some subscription. It could be ChatGPT, it could be Claude, it could be any other AI, so you are already paying it, so you can consider it for free. Just 5 minutes for me. The AI took some time to build it, and then I just shared the tweaks that I just took a screenshot that, hey, this color is not fun and XYZ thing. That's it. And whenever I want to update anything, I just can go to that AI and I can just say that, hey, this video is very old. Can you please change it with my recent video? And the AI employee will itself go to my YouTube, fetch the latest video and put it live here. If I say that, hey, this testimonials are where it is. Oops, just a minute. Yeah. So if I say that, hey, these testimonials are very old and we have got a new client results, it is in XYZ drive. Can you please update my photos? It can itself go inside my drive, download the photos, come here and update these images by itself. I don't need to do. It's like an AI employee for me. Okay. If I say that, hey, where is the calendar booking link? Here. So if I say that, hey, my calendar is not active right now, can you please switch it with something else? It can do it. If I say that, hey, we are we are stopping to take one-on-one calls. Can you please come here and put it a contact us form? So it just adds name, email, and why you are trying to contact us. It will itself come and change all the things. It takes zero time to update the websites right now. It takes only 5 to 10 minutes to build an entire working website with everything. You just have to provide the assets to a person, and it's almost free for you to build the website. And that's point number one, where any coach should start or any business owner should start, because you need to have a website. Now, next thing, you need to have a lead magnet. So, like people come to you, a free lead magnet, so people can become a part of your ecosystem. Now, for example, the simplest one could be just a document where you have like added something which is of value to someone else. Okay. So this is I have built like basically how you can train your AI to sound like you. So AI voice training playbook I have built. You can like feed it into Claude, into ChatGPT, and the AI will sound exactly like you. So you don't need to teach it again and again. You don't need to make a lot of tweaks. So basically, it is of what say maybe six different tabs with almost 10,000 words in general in total. How much time do you think it took me to build this entire formatted this playbook? Formatted as in this header, this red color by Harsh and Bloody Marketers, this line and everything, this button, call to action button, everything. How much time do you think it took me to build this entire lead magnet? Come on again, inside again, you don't need to think like, okay, AI is building that. How much time it will you will take to build this thing? Like track it like that way. Now we are using AI, so you will say 10 minutes. But tell me, what do you think? 2 to 3 hours? Okay, nice. Come on. What more? And if you are getting it built by someone else, you can like say the charges 1 day. Come on, 2 to 3 hours 1 day, maybe 2 to 3 days. Nice. I won't stretch it more. Again, with AI, you can simply give your Google Drive access to your AI employee, and you can simply say that, hey, I am thinking to build what say, one lead magnet which I can deliver to my audience, and the lead magnet should be about this thing. If you have any questions, please ask me. And the employee will ask you that, okay, what are the things you want to include inside that lead magnet? You will just say it, okay, I want to include XYZ things. It will ask you more clarifying questions, so it actually understands your vision, and then it will come to your Google Drive. It will create a document for yourself. It will create different tabs, like start here, this. It will create the tabs for you. It will start writing the content for you. It will format it like this, bold and then underline and then whatever. It will do everything for you. What you have to do, you just have to come here. You just have to take a screenshot and say, hey, it's not resonating with me. Can you please change it? And it will come back and change the things here. You can just say that, okay, we are not going very detailed here. Can you please like make it very detailed? Again, it will come and make it detailed for you. Like you just have to give feedback like you give to any human. That's it. Done. Now you have built your lead magnet, for example. Now what's the next part that you need to do? You need to build a landing page. So basically, people can come and opt in to get your lead magnet. What if I say that I have done nothing to build this page? Nothing, zero. Not a single letter is written by me. Not a single designing has been done by me. I didn't created the mockup. I didn't created the form. I didn't created this drop down. I didn't created anything. I just said that, hey, we need to now build a landing page. Here's my brand kit. Can you please create a landing page for me? It should be just one fold. Simple as that. And it created this sexy page for us. But point is, like, it should work. Creating, okay, like, yeah, Claude or any AI can design a lot, like, very good landing pages, but it needs to work, right? What if I tell you that if we, guys, tell any email to me, anyone in the chat, give me your name and email, please. Sonia, okay. Sulba, give your name and email together. Naveen and this, okay, nice. So I'm copying Naveen, name copied. I'll go back and I'll paste, oops, here, Naveen, and then I will go, just a minute. Oops, it copied the link, I guess. But no worries, I'll remove mail too. So we have Naveen's email address as well, and Naveen is a coach, let's say. And I'll just say, just see now. Click yes, send me, and it gives a personalized page. Naveen, your AI voice training playbook is on its way, and it will be in your email inbox with an subject line test, and please reply to it. And you will get your email playbook within 5 to 10 minutes, okay? And you can click here to actually open up your email inbox as well. So the test mail should pop up on the top. Okay, so we will get better replies, or sorry, more replies and better open rates in general. This entire funnel, I have created nothing, not a single word, not a single code, nothing. Everything AI. Again, I won't ask you how much time it took me to create. It just took me 5 to 10 minutes. Again, I just have to put up my word that, hey, we need to create a page for XYZ thing. And here's my brand kit, of course. And it creates by itself. Now you need to create an automation. Someone said, as a coach, you need to have automations in place. So here is another automation tool, which is NA10. You might be using Pabbly or anything else. It's completely fine. All the automation tools are same. NA10 is just the tool that I use. So it created the automation by itself. I just said that, hey, we need to create an automation and we need to create Google Sheet and our MailerLite account, basically, which is our email marketing account. Okay. So whenever, oops, balloons here, nice. So whenever someone signs up here, the data is shared to a Google Sheet, so we can track every lead, and plus our MailerLite account, so you can get the email automation, the confirmation email. Okay, I'll show you the. Oh, I have created. I don't create the automations right now. I'd say that, hey, we need to just create this kind of automation. It comes to NA10, it creates by itself. It puts all the API key and everything, whatever is needed. If it is stuck somewhere, it just asks me that, hey, Harsh, I'm stuck here. Can you help me? I just help it. That's it. Like an AI, like an employee. So now here is the thing. Let's come down. Let's come down. We got all of these leads. I'll show you more things. But here you can see Naveen and his email as well. And Naveen is a coach, so it tracked the coach as well. And it didn't track the UTM source parameter and everything because we didn't put it here. But we are already running ads to it, and I'll be showing you the CPLs as well. But yeah, here is the thing. Naveen, are you in the room? Yeah, you are of course in the room. Did you get the email, the test mail? You can write in the chat box. Yes, you got it. We didn't create it automation. AI did. Nice. Now comes the ads part. We have our landing pages, we have our lead magnet, but now comes the ads part. We need to run ads to get leads, and we can create content as well. I'll be showing you that also. How crazy it would be that you don't need to create ads by yourself, and you don't need to hire an ads agency to create ads for you. You can create ads with AI. I'll show you the ads and I'll show the performance as well. So now here is the ads. Here are the ads. Cool. So we have 4 of 4 ads. I'll start with one. So we have this phone ad that I trained AI to sound exactly like me in 20 minutes, no prompts, blah, blah, blah thing. Click here and get the entire thing. Simple as that. We'll go to next 2 of 4. Again, a different kind of ad to test like what is working best for us. 3 of 4. Again, we just like a different kind of ad to test which is working good for us. And then finally 4 of 4 to again test if which one is working good for us. Different kind of ads. Now, who is running ads here? Except Sagar, of course. how safe? I'll tell you how safe it is. Um, Currently, who is running ads here except Sagar? Me. What's your CPL in like except Rahat as well? Uh, Hanifa, what's your current CPL right now? Average CPL in total. You can give me an estimate if you don't have it. No, no, not your ad budget, your cost per lead. How much you are paying to get one lead? I guess you guys can already see my CPL in the background, right? Huge, it's huge. I was trying to create that dramatic experience that, oh, I get this. But anyways, you can already see it in the background. Nice. I'm getting currently my CPL is 21 rupees, 61 rupees, 28 and 28. So in total, I'm like currently we are getting an cost per lead of 23 rupees average out. We are testing another campaign as well. Currently, we are on pause, and this particular campaign is getting us 77 rupees. So I'll show you the ads for that as well. Okay. See, it's the same ads, but we are testing different audiences here. Here we are doing digital marketing broad. Here we are only doing coaches. Okay. So we are testing different audiences, but the good part is we are getting good leads. We have total like generated almost 200 leads here. Nice. I'll show the back end as well. Not going to hide anything. So here are all of our leads that we get. If I refresh it, it will show Navneet as well. So here is Navneet. Navneet got 2 emails, one opens and he haven't clicked anything yet, which is fine. So that is the thing. Now we'll come back to this. But you might think that, okay, but these are all the faceless ads, okay? I don't have my face on it, but if you want to create with your face, what to do? I will show one of my clients for that. So here is one of my clients, and we like he's into intermittent fasting for women, and we just dump his photos and all of his campaign information inside the AI, and we asked that, hey, can you please create one ad for us? It figured out by itself that what kind of ad will work best in the industry, and it created this ad. We said, okay, give us more iterations. So it gave more iterations as well. More iterations, right? More iterations. Nice. More iterations without face again. See, now we have this thing as well. So if you want to create a pinned post in your Instagram, and if you want to generate a, like image for that, you can create an image like this, or you can create an image like this. It really hooks up. So that is the thing. You can create with face, without face, completely up to you. What about writing and publishing books? Yeah, it can do. Why not? That's not what I do, but you can train your employee. This is the thing which is like AI employee to you. You can train your employee to do anything, whatever you want to do. Which AI you are using? We are currently using Claude Code, not just Claude, simple Claude. We are using Claude Code. Nice. But now, after ads, what comes? Analysis of your ads. So, like, what ad is performing best, how we need to optimize every single thing. You need a comprehensive, detailed data, like what's working for you, what's not working for you, what you should scale, what you should stop, everything. So now here is the entire sheet. So, like, for example, it is for one of our clients. Last week we spent XYZ amount, the revenue was this, the ROAS was this, XYZ thing. The entire like Meta ads are doing this, Google ads, all the ads. If you are running Google ads, you are running YouTube ads, you are running LinkedIn ads, you can put all the things at one place. So Meta ads like doing this thing, Google ads is doing this thing, organic. If you are creating organic content, then it is doing this thing. Your entire ad reports, like what are the ads you should scale, what are the ads you have to monitor, and what are the ads which are not performing, and you should kill them, everything. And with all of these images as well, so you can literally click on them and go to the ad, so you actually knows, okay, this is the ad which is performing the best. I can create similar ads more. Simple as that. Okay. So you have your weekly ad report sorted as well, which you probably would have hired a marketing agency to do that for you. Okay. Now Okay, price OMG, I will only deliver. You, yes, exactly. As a coach, you will only deliver. That's it. Now coming to this is all the ads part. Not everyone is doing ads. A lot of people are creating content as well. So now what's the first thing that you do in content? Come on, in the chat. What's the first thing when you are creating Instagram Reels and Instagram content? What are you doing first thing? Can you create video ads? No, you can create a lot of things for video ads, but still you need to shoot and you need to get the views edited. That's something that you still need to do manually. You script consistently. Ideation is the right thing, but before that we do one more thing. Research is a very close thing. Come on, one more thing you do, which comes under research itself. Come on. What is the one thing that you do which comes under research? Content pillar hook? No, 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 that comes afterward. Pain points comes after. Come on, what comes first? Strategy, competitor analysis. You first see your competition, what they are doing. If I am a dietitian coach and I am like going to put out content for women specifically, then I first will see that, okay, what are the other dietitians are doing, so I can first model from them. I will start from there. Okay, so because if they are putting in, let's say, 50 reels every single month and only 3 are performing, so I'll just pick those 3 first of all, that here are the hooks, here are the angles, here are the content, everything, and then I will understand, okay, my niche is this and I do this, so how can I blend them together? That is the first thing. Okay, this is the AI that do for you. You don't put up your mind again. You just tell that, hey, my computer accounts are this. You just feed in your computer accounts that this is my account, then I have all of these my computer account. AI go to each of this Instagram account and uh, takes all the things off from there. You know, like how many posts they are doing. What are, I'll show you what it actually fetches for you. Okay. So this is all of my account. I'll show off my, yeah, here are the computers thing. So for example, if I tell you of Noi, here is the person. I consider him as my computer. So first of all, he will fetch his Instagram reel URL, okay? Then it will take the caption also. So like what's the caption he's putting there? When he's posting, so like posting date and time, then how many likes he have gotten and comments and shares and saves and every single thing, how much it can scrape. Of course, like Instagram have certain limit. You cannot like scrape the shares and saves, but it can scrape this likes and likes, comments and views, so it scrapes it everything. After that, it updates the metrics. If you want to update the metric, you can like see like when it has actually upgraded the metric. Then what's the spoken hook? Now, you guys were saying like, like you need to see what are the things you need to speak in first 3 seconds to hook them. That's the hook. So here is the spoken hook. Then hook framework, like what the framework he is actually using. So you don't need to say the same thing. So for example, if this guy is saying, I just hit peak flow state, blah, blah, blah. So here is the hook framework. X people don't realize why, and already Z wins. I guess it is the same thing. But we can say that men don't men don't realize how much sports is important in their life, and hence they lose their bodies. Kind of that. You can do better, but I'm just saying you. Then all of the things, like what's the topic, the entire transcript of that reel, then the image, like how, like they are standing and talking, or they are sitting, or they are like, what are they doing? Like it's the entire comprehensive competitor research. And then it understands your campaign as well. Of course, it is your AI employee, so it will have all the information about your business. Then you will say that, hey, you know my about my competitors, you know about me. Now, please give me some data, some topics that I can create videos on. Now it gives you the entire what say topics as well. Like what are the topics you can create content on, all the ideas, everything, and you approve them. That hey, I approve these ideas. Please push it to a particular place. So we use Air table for this. So it pushes all the things here. Now, when I say, okay, all the ideas are done, now please script 7 videos for me. And so basically I can just read. So if you go inside this, it will it will like write entire script for you. You just have to take your phone and start speaking line by line by line by line, and then you just have to put it on your Google, on your drive, send it to your editor, and your editor will cut, and you are good to go. And then just post it on your Instagram. Simple as that. So you can do all of these things, like from computer research to finding the gap, to analyzing your audience, to analyzing your business, to coming up with ideas, to scripting those ideas, and then you just have to record it, edit it, and post it. That's something you need to do. Posting can be also automated, but never automated, guys, because you get the peak view rate or peak reach when you post it yourself. So always post yourself. Don't use any AI automation tool if you are using right now or thinking to use. Nice, but now posting content is not enough. You need to analyze your content. Like if you are posting content in the May month, towards the end of the May month, you need a detailed report. Like like is my content performing or not? Do I am I getting reach? Am I getting views? Am I getting followers? Am I getting leads from there or not? So now it also analyzes your entire thing, your entire data. So like what are the posts that you have done, which has performed, your views, your topics, your format, every single thing. And then it recommends you that these are the topics that have performed well for you. Please create these topics only. Don't touch these ones. These frameworks are doing good for you. Please create more videos on these things. Don't touch the other things, like every single thing. And it goes so depth that it also says that you are using these words in the first 3 seconds. Don't use them. Let's say this one. It says that don't use contrarian hooks without immediately delivering value. For me, the best reels that performed for me, as Sagar was also saying, which is driven from a story, which is driven from a proof that, let's say, I closed a client for 5,000 USD to build an AI system. Here's how I close it. These kind of what say hooks works best for me based on my personality and my account. For someone else, it could be like AI agents are a complete scam, and here's why I say it, right? Or someone is like Claude Code has killed sorry, Claude Code just killed designers, and now you can design your entire website using this one link, kind of that. Everyone has different personalities, and based on personalities, different angles works for you. So for me, contrarian hooks don't work. The best hooks that works for me is leading with proof. Okay. Don't default to selfie format. Like I am pretty easy with respect to creating content, so I just take my phone and just like it, simple as that. I don't put any editing, anything. So it is saying that don't default to for selfies format only. Do some kind of walking or do something. So basically, people are hooked, right? Don't make 31 to 45-second videos. This duration range has zero outliers range. So basically either go for long one, so basically you are what say explaining something, or go for a very short one under 30 seconds. Don't stay between 31 to 45 seconds. It has analyzed that. Don't put text in the lower third. I generally put my captions in the lower third. If you know about reels and all, you just know it. Again, you can just go through this entire, it is a very comprehensive, detailed report. Okay, so I'm not going through the entire thing. Guys, what are you thinking now? This is wow. What is scrapes? Scrapes is basically, let's say you want leads for your business. So you can say that, hey, for like the name of my agent is Ben. So, hey Ben, can you please go to Google and scrape the data of local businesses in New York, which is into dog food, let's say. So now it will go on Google, it will like search for New York dog food and blah blah blah, and then it will scrape all the things, their business name, the owner name, their email, their phone number, everything, and it will create a sheet for you. So it's called scraping. Will we get this AI assistant? Sagar will tell you how you will get this AI assistant. Uh, it's making our journey super duper faster, and that's what I'm saying. You can condense your months or probably 6 months of work inside just 1 week based on what AI system you have and how you are actually using it. But again, guys, this is all about a normal lead magnet. But we are into coaching. We do a lot of webinars. So we need, like decks. We need to go on webinar and we need to present something. So this thing won't work for us, like at least in front of a cold audience. We need a complete deck. Okay. So the question is, can AI can create that entire deck, not just the content, not just the idea that, okay, you can just have this topics, not the topics, the entire content. So you can just go on call and deliver it live. So here is one masterclass that I did about Claude in March ending, somewhere March 2026. And I just said, again, I will first show you and then you tell me, what do you think? It's not on Google, Google slide deck. It's not on PPT. I personally like these kind of decks. So, like it's very interactive and I can share this doc with you. If you want, I can share this with you as well. Or else I just need to give like Google deck access to everyone. It's messy kind of. And I don't personally like it. If I just give it to you, it's easy for me to share. I can just create a link and I can share it with you. Simple as that. So I personally like this. It's basically a masterclass on Claude. So basically, we covered all of these 7 things, and then if I just click on it, it opens up this kind of a pop-up. I can just read the first sentence of the this, and I can just deliver whatever I want to say. Then I can just go to like click this arrows. I can click out. I can just click this entire thing. Okay. What do you think? How much time it took me to build this entire deck? You know now, so now you can say how much time it might have taken me to build this. Minutes. I won't stretch it actually. It actually took me minutes uh, only because I just have to give the context and it has all the skills. It knows how I want to create my deck. So it just creates the deck like this. Can you create a Google deck? You can surely create a Google deck as well. It can go to your Google Drive, create one deck. It will have all of your branding, create an entire deck for you with content, with photos if you want to. I generally don't like a lot of photos, so I didn't keep images. If you want to add images, you can create that thing as well. Okay. What is next thing? Okay, yeah. But again, now this is everything about marketing yourself, doing lead generation because we covered this landing page as well, and doing lead conversion because you are creating webinar decks and everything. But now we have to actually understand what's the mess with our backend systems. Where are we lagging in terms of a company? What are the things we need to build more? So, like it is a better experience for our clients. It is a better experience for us. It is a smooth experience for teams. So team can accommodate more clients. How we can do that? That comes under the delivery pillar. And your AI assistant can create an entire report for your backend as well, which it has created for me. So I just said we are moving from marketing agency to an AI automation agency. Okay. So I just said that, hey, you already know all the things about my business. Can you go through Reddit, Quora, and whatever platform you want to go and figure out like what AI agencies actually do and where are we standing in general? Can you create an entire report for me? What are the things we have already done and what are the things we need to do so it is a better experience for clients, for our team, for ourselves, and everything, and we can actually scale the delivery side of the thing. It created an entire report for me. So it is saying that skills by status. So whatever I have built and like it is saying that you are like 24% here, you are 15% here, 19% here, blah blah blah. And it actually gave me all the things that I need to work on. Email marketing is like pretty good. Heads, we still need to figure out a lot of things. You guys are seeing the things which it is saying that it's just 24-25% done. You are getting amazed here, and I have a big vision like what are the things I actually need to build. Just think about like what it will be. Meta ads, full funnel, xyz things. Okay, all of this entire detailed report that here is where your agency is standing right now, and here is where you need to reach, and here is the entire gap and how you need to go with. So basically tier 1, build build orders. So start with these things, then go to tier 2, then go to tier 3, then go to tier 4, and then I can sit with my AI assistant and say, okay, tell me how I can build tier 1, this particular thing, please tell me. It will guide me that okay, we need to do this, and I will be start doing this. It is a basically a co-founder for you, AI assistant for you, whatever you want to call it. That's the entire thing where AI is leading right now. Oof, I'm tired. Guys, what's your opinion now? Sagar, अब आ जाओ यार आप. I'm tired. I am a backend guy, guys, so I don't speak generally this much. This is like probably I speak 3 to 4 months at one time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
हर्ष बस काम करता है बैकएंड में. He doesn't speak. I don't know how he's speaking so fast. And yeah,
So yeah, that's the entire thing. So yeah, Sagar, I guess one question that was left. Someone asked me that how safe it is to, like connect your Facebook with agentic platforms. It could be Cloud Code, it could be something else. I'll show you that, and you will like it. You can simply go to Google and write Meta Ads MCP, and you will get a dedicated what say article from Meta Ads themselves from Facebook. Facebook has itself clarified that it is okay that you connect to your agentic platforms using Meta MCP itself. Don't use any third-party platform. They have created an MCP. MCP is basically a connector between two apps, so Meta Ads and something else, let's say Cloud Code. So you can connect them using MCP. So they have launched their own MCP and you can connect it through that. And there won't be any banning issue because it is like their own. Just don't use
officially
any third party platform. Yeah, it's official.
it's
So
the
yeah, that's
official.
again. Yeah, exactly. So that is the thing. So there are no safety concerns as well. Oh, and we haven't built the system to run our ads. We are on to that. What Sagar actually said that in next couple of months we will be building a system to run entire ads, to manage entire ads. The agent will go, the employee will go inside ad account. It will set up the ads. It will set up the budget. It will set up the audience. It will do everything by itself. While we'll just give them money that hey, here is 15K budget for you. Spend it and get us leads. And whatever is not working, optimize it. We don't need any agencies going forward. So yeah, that's the vision.
Yeah. So this is the first time we're revealing to you that what we are actually building it. So what do you think? This is the next level. Yeah. You just need to go and deliver. You don't have to take care of KR. You don't have to pay for a marketing consultant. You are your own consultant. Yeah. Eh, but now, do you think now the same questions, Harsh, you can ask? Now, how many of you want to have an executive assistant like this who can look
Yeah.
into your business so deep level, so uh, close level, and give you feedback? Okay, you are posting content. This is what you need to do. The next step. Yeah. So one of my mentors says recently, where I'm also learning AI from, he says every time that you spend building systems will save you not just hours, it will save you years. Okay. So you'll be way ahead of the time. What we are doing it right now, I'm sharing with you after 6 months, it will be like everyone will be doing it in the industry. So do you want to do it now? You want to wait another year to do it? Okay. So how fast? So that is something that we are doing it. So first time we never showcased to anyone, not even our diamond member knew that what we are actually building it. So yes, so go for it. 1 second. Yeah. Yeah. Anything else, Harsh? You want to share that tool about that?
Oh,
So
yes.
asked Harsh, can we create a tool for this so that they can use it for their thing? So
Yeah, of
specifically,
course.
yeah.
Of course, of course. So I'll first show you the tool and again I will tell you, I'll ask you the same question, how much time and money you think it took us to build it. But okay, this is the tool that we have built for you, a customized tool, and I'll share you the link as well again. Nothing to hide, guys. You have the link. And Sagar will also send you in the group, so you can save it as well and you will get it again. But this is a tool that we have built for you, and it will really help you to condense all the things that you are learning right now. You will have your entire OS kind of built by Sagar himself because we have added all of his information, whatever he knows in this particular software. And then you just need to answer it or give all the things about it, about yourself, your business, and it will tell you exactly what you need to do. Okay, so I'll show you a demonstration as well. So if you just like, it has 6 questions and it will take 2 minutes for you. So if you go to start, it will ask you your name. Let's say I will just write Harsh. Go to next. What do you help? So I'm using Flow right now, so it might sound a bit awkward, but yeah, any which ways. I'm helping online coaches to AIfy their entire business and build AI assistants so they can delegate their entire work to a AI assistant and also automate 60 to 70% of their marketing work so they can focus on delivering their clients at the fullest and scale their business as fast as possible. So basically, whatever I say, just transcribe it and put it here. What do you help them with? Okay. Uh, I already answered it in my previous answer, but I help them to build AI assistants so they can like delegate all of their work and automate their entire marketing as well. Like 60 to 70% of marketing, basically like building landing pages, automations, email marketing, then creating lead magnets, creating their webinar slide deck, every single thing, whatever you can think of. I help them to build an AI system which can take care of everything, and they are like all sorted. They can squeeze in probably a month of work within just a week or less. So whenever you are answering, make sure you answer in a very great detail. So then only the software will be able to help you. If you are just saying that, what do you help them with? I help them to get fit. It doesn't make sense. Okay. So you have to share everything. Then how do you help them? You need to share everything about your method. Currently, I won't like go inside that, but please answer in in a long format so it can understand you well. Using Claude Code, I'll just say Claude Code. Tell everything about your method, whatever you do with them, your steps, probably phases, phase 1, 2, and 3, and whatever months, every single thing, just add everything. And if you have a document, copy paste it here. Tell me about your journey. So if you have created a about me part, as Sagar might have shared with you, so you can just copy paste the entire thing here. You have to share your entire journey. So like, for example, I started in 2019 when I was in college in second year. Then I did this. I ended up into this. I did 2 marketing agency job as well, blah, blah, blah. Your entire journey. Because after that, it can create a, like good hooks, good content for you as well, which you will see next. I'll just write, I have been r- into marketing for 7 years, but you guys have to go in depth. Okay. So I'll just then create next, add your emails. I'll just add mine, generate this. See, it says your answer for your journey is too short. So I need to like, tell it more. I started in 2019 and when I was in second year of my college. And after that, I started this blogging and affiliate marketing thing. Then eventually 1 year later, it was pandemic, and I was attending one of the workshops where I got to learn about funnels and copywriting and ads and everything, and it actually interested me a lot. Then I started watching Russell Brunson and his content. Then I got into this marketing world, the inorganic marketing world. Then I started working as an intern for an marketing agency where I was just used to get paid 5,000 rupees a month. There I learned a lot of things, and my first client was a coach. And from there, I stepped into the coaching industry to help them with marketing. Again, you can share your entire journey. I'm not sharing the entire part just to answer this. And okay, generate my full blueprint. So now you can see the output. You will see the output. It will take some time to condense your entire knowledge base and then give you the output. See, Harsh, here's your lead gen system. So, oops, where it is. Mm, it is not loading
स्क्रॉल
up
करना
down.
पड़ेगा स्क्रॉल करना
Uh,
पड़ेगा उस
I guess it is stuck for me. मैं एक बार इसको download कर लेता हूँ. Yeah, so I don't know where the window is stuck for me. I cannot scroll here, but any which ways, you can download it as well. So you can save it, or when you will come down, it will actually give you entire content pillars. So like first content pillar should be AI business operations, then automate marketing system, accelerate business scaling, build AI assistants. So basically these are my 5 pillars that I can create my content on. And if I come down, it will give me a lot of things. The lead magnet ideas also. So like what kind of lead magnets I can create. I have shared a lot of things with you. For example, this exact thing, I told you exactly like how to AIFI your business, automate your marketing system. I actually demonstrated you in front of you. I talked about scaling your business. I talked about building AI assistants. My main thing started from there, and how you can leverage AI for your clients. Okay. So I just did that thing. And then if I would have said that, hey guys, I have gotten a full blueprint for you. If you want it, comment tools or comment blueprint or comment whatever, or here is the link, just get it. You would have probably gone into that, okay, I need the entire blueprint. Okay. So that's the lead magnet ideas for you as well. AI system checklist. So like where you can actually start and what all systems you need to have. I can create multiple lead magnets like these. Then your lead generation flow, how your lead generation should work from content creation till re-engaging or re-engage with your case studies, like entire flow, whatever we have discussed. It will give you the entire part which you are learning in this boot camp right now. So that's a tool for you. Now the question comes, how much time did you think Sagar and I took collaboratively to build this entire tool for you? In the chat. Time and money. Yes, one day. Oh, one day. 5 lakh and 49 days? A couple of days. Okay. I'll show you the process in front of you. Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah. So basically, if you see here, he sent me one, like we did a meeting at 3:17, okay? We talked about multiple things like what we can actually do. Then he sent me a voice note that here is the tool that we can actually develop. And he sent at 4:41 p.m. I shared the tool at 5:15 p.m. Plus, we also have this tracking sheet installed. So whatever, see, I just filled in right now, Harsh. Okay. Harsh, this tracking sheet, entire thing, it tracked all of my answers. So whatever you are going to answer, it will come here. So please don't say anything personal that you don't want to share, because it's for us to analyze our audience as well. And whatever data, what say, AI give to you, or our entire thing gave to you, it actually said to me, this thing. This entire thing, I'll come back to my WhatsApp. This entire thing we built in just probably 4:41 to 5:15, whatever minutes they are, half an hour, something. And how much it costed us? Again, zero, because we are already paying for AI tools. That is the thing. If you have the right kind of AI setup, everything is easy for you. You can, like, you could have taken a week to build a system like this. You condense that into just half an hour. That's the thing. 45 minutes approx, right?
Hmm.
So that is the thing. With all the tweaks and everything, with all the automations.
I'm sure you must be mind blown by the kind of a system that is you can build inside your company, inside your business. If you're someone who like to build the similar system, we can definitely help you. So just fill the form below, and we will get in touch with you, and we would love to support you to build this kind of system in your business.